Okay guys, so we're obviously in and out the bodywork a lot on these things. So you're leaning over this area here to work inside the car. So a wing protector, as far as I'm concerned, is quite important. This one by Tamer has little tabs to lock it down with. It has a very, very heavy weighted double lip edge. So you can put some bits down in here if you need them. And it's separated as well, so you can run it around certain areas, but it's quite hard, and it's a really good protective unit. Again, Tamer, available from West Coast. PB is also doing them. Thank you very much for sending that in to help protect our wings on our 200. On this installation, we need to remove the intercooler cover, so we'll take this cover off the top. Just a couple of 10mm fasteners on the top of the intercooler cover. This will give us access to the back to allow the hoses to run neat and tidy. That just basically clips off. Right, installation for the catch can. We're going to use the bracket. The bracket mounts down on the inner wings. So the bracket's all been CAD drawn up and bent, perfect. So I've already sort of like pre-checked these holes, but I'm going to show you exactly where the holes are and how this fits in. So basically the bracket kits down nicely up against the brake cylinder unit, and then the catch can mounts to that. So we'll get that part of the installation done, and then I'll show you exactly where the holes are and how it's all been pre-drilled and sorted, ready for installation. You can see here, I'm just using the thread cleaner to run the threads through. As you can see, screw it down and run it back. These bolts have been nipped up now, so I'll just go and get the torque gauge and I'll nip them up. Okay guys, when we're installing our stoppers into the end, as we're only using 2 ports, don't use a Loctite thread locker. You need to use a thread sealer, yeah, because this is running now with fuel under high pressure. So you need to use 542 thread sealer. This will weep into the threads and then cause a perfect seal. And we've got the same for the other side, so the barbs go on the other side. I'm going to run in some thread seal and lock, so this is like a hydraulic thread sealer, and then we'll put those into the fittings.
To work. It says there's no evidence.
Right, so you can see the fittings go onto the side of the diesel filter. with the springs running round the hose, and that will keep the hose going against the back of the firewall without bending or kinking in the hose itself. So we'll go to install now and get this in the car. We're just changing this fuel filter system out. We thought it'd be a good idea to put a new factory fuel filter back in. So we'll get that sorted out. It's not a difficult job, fairly easy. There's 3 little grub screws to go around. There's one there, one there, one there, and then just a matter of pre-priming the system. Yeah, it's not a difficult job at all. So we'll do that. Previous owner who's put it in has fitted a fairly cheap Blue Point system. We've gone back to a genuine Toyota. As far as I'm concerned, you just cannot beat the Toyota filters for the price. So don't scrimp on second parts. They're just not worth it. Okay, so we've got the catch cans in. The catch can is here, mounted to the fuel filter bracket, and it runs along here to the top pipe. It's all pre-built, and it goes into the pipe going into the induction there, and then the intercooler pipe comes out, and that runs out, and that goes down into the bottom of the catch can. And the drain pipe you can just pick up there, runs all the way down to the front of the car, and that drops out through the front, and that's also neat and tidy out the way. So yeah, it's a very neat installation, very good kit, very pleased with that. So you'd never really know that we've actually installed it. Looks factory, and that's the whole idea, make it look neat and tidy.